So just another quick video teaser here. My Dodge Durango, except for this is not the Dodge Durango. That's the wife's Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It actually looks like a Trackhawk with the sport hood and the performance big ol' 20 by 9-inch wheels. Anyway, there she is. We did some more mods to her. Tell me if you could tell what I did for a mod. I blacked out the lower double light bar. I put a black vinyl film around the lower bar. I got taillight tint on the tails, but I cut out the clear section. The clears have been cut out. You know, it's not perfect. You can still see some light seeping through, but from a distance, it gives it a really good, unique look, I think. Anyway, oh, and 1320s right here in my hometown of Omaha, Nebraska. Those guys gave me that sticker when I saw them out on the road. Oh, and my buddy, go over to the Riviera Record and check him out. Thanks to him, I put some yellow fogs on them. I'm not sure about these though. At different times, they almost have a greenish color to them. And that's the yellow Lamin-X film. So I think it's because the LED fog lights have a little bit of blue in them. The blue and the yellow mixed together make kind of a green color. So I'm on the fence about that one as well. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.